Welcome. Before we're going to start our session, I would like to thank Bhartashriya Madam, CTR Vani Madam, Gangadharan Sir, and RMK College of Engineering and Technology for giving me this opportunity. My project name is Optical Recognition of Disease using Programming. Aim of the project: to determine the disease using symptoms. Common eye diseases are diabetic retinopathy, amblyopia, strabismus, cataract, and age-related macular degeneration. And cataract. Cataract is an obscuration of lenses which leads to decrease in vision. Cataract often develop in slowly one eye or both eyes. Age and falling eye surgery, trauma, and radiation exposure and genetic problems will cause cataract. Cloud and blurred dim vision, sensitive to light or gear, seeing halos around the sky and around the light, fading or yellow color eyes, and so on. These are the symptoms. Age-related macular degeneration. It is caused due to aging and smoking. It caused due to main smoking and age. This is how it look like if you got any age-related macular degeneration. Now, causes: smoking, hypertension, aging, and damage in macula of retina. Symptoms: worse or less vision, rare or worse, different color perception, distorted vision, no vision in the center of visual field. Strabismus. Strabismus is a condition in the eye non-proper alignment. Eye will be not properly aligned in the strabismus. Eye can't focus on alternate objects at a time. Symptoms: caused vision or double vision. Eye do not aim on same direction. Uncoordinated eye movement, loss of vision or depth perception. Types: estropia, extropia, hypertropia. Normal eye will look like this. Estropia will look like towards the nose. Extropia will look like out towards the nose, and hypertropia will look like down and up turnment. It has two types in hypertropia. Diabetic retinopathy. From the name, you can get this. Diabetic retinopathy will cause to diabetic high sugar patient or high blood sugar patients. This is how it look like in diabetic retinopathy. Symptoms: spot and dark strings floating in your vision, blurred vision, fluctuation vision, impaired color vision, dark or empty areas in your vision. Amblyopia or lazy eye. It is hard to find because it is due to brain failure of eye connection between one eye and nerves. Normal eye, binocular eye look like this, and amblyopia look like this. What will happen means this distorted vision is compensated by this normal eye, so that it is hard to find. Amblyopia patients will get eye nerve pain and fluctuation in vision. We will explain program line by line. First, we will collect details, minimum details from patient, and initializing the variable names as zeros, and each name is a disease name. We will use it for future for calculating probability. Now we will go for the first disease, cataract. In cataract, it is caused due to surgeries, and after that any effects. And if you are diabetic patient, the maximum probability of getting the cataract is there. So we will analyze the basic details, and if it's correct means you will enter into that cataract form, cataract info. Then if any color faded, if yes means we will add one. Diabetic patient, we will add one to the diabetic patient. From that, if he is greater than or equal to 3 means we have maximum probability of getting cataract. So we will into 20 and I will get the percentage of probability of cataract. Age-related macular degeneration. If age is greater than or equal to 55, it will cause us due to smoking habits and cardiac problems. If you are any cardiac patient, is maximum probability of getting major macular degeneration is there. So from that we will analyze this. So if you are greater than or equal to 55 and you have cardiac problems, you are a smoker, and you have any shaded spots. Shaded spots means floating objects will appear in your eye, but they will not be there, but you will see that one. So from that we will calculate the probability of age-related macular degeneration. Strabismus. Strabismus is caused due to heredity or any eye problems. Eye problems like you can't identify the strabismus origins, but you can identify the characteristics. You can't focus on one single object, and black spots, eye strain. You have at eye strain means you will get water from and means tears from eye regularly. Nerve pain, and you will feel eye nerve pain. You can't be focused. Can you focus on any object more than 50 seconds? No means, and black spots is there, yes, and you have probability of getting strabismus. From that we will go step by step. After that we will calculate the probability of strabismus and diabetic retinopathy. You have diabetic retinopathy is constituted only for a diabetic patient. For diabetic patients, there is a maximum probability of getting diabetic retinopathy, and floating vision and blank spots will be there in your vision. And that spot you can't see any object. You are a diabetic patient, yes, and you have any floating visions and black visions, and yes, means you have maximum probability of getting diabetic retinopathy. From that we will calculate the diabetic retinopathy. What is diabetic retinopathy? Epilepsy, vision loss. So slow loss of vision of any type of disease caused due to any type of disease is called as epilepsy. So if any slow sudden loss of vision is considered as epilepsy, so it's completed. And if your disease is equal to 0, we will initialize the disease is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we will consider as no disease related to optical coma is there. Now we will verify the output of the program. Entering the name, age, any recent surgeries, no. No. Any black spots? Yes. Yes. You feel any pain at the edges of the no. It given output you have 60% of the strabismus. Now we will check. You have to go another. Do you have floater visions? No. Black vision? No. Slow loss of vision? No. Now we will do for another person. Name, age 56. Any recent surgeries? Yes, he undergo one surgery. He feeling color faded? Yes. Diabetic patient? He is not diabetic patient. Do you have any color faded? Yes. Multiple visions? Yes. 80% of cataracts. Do you smoke? He is not a smoker. Any shaded parts? Yes. 80% of age-related macular degeneration. Any black spots in your eyes? Yes. No. Do you feel any? No. Do you have any floater visions? No. Eyes have blank visions. Yes. Slow loss of vision. No. Thank you.